And joining me live right now is our Strategic Affairs editor Gaurav Sawant, tracking all those developments there around Prime Minister Modi's visit. Gaurav, first a rock star reception, then that hit speech at the UNGA, and now all eyes focused on that big function at the Madison Square Garden. Lot of expectations really. What's the buzz there?
Tremendous. The expectations indeed are very high, Sana. And if we were to talk about the crowds that are expected, the New York police and the New York administration have made special arrangements. There are special trains that are running today, special buses running today to get crowds to the Madison Square Garden. And this was an official announcement that was made that for 18,500 people to be seated inside the Madison Square Garden, and for perhaps thousands who would be outside either the Madison Square Garden or at the Times Square just behind us here in New York. Additional trains, additional buses will be run in New York all day today, first to bring them in and then to send them back. That's one part of the story. Second is additional police forces have been called in from outside New York to help not just with the security arrangements but also for quicker facilitation. Now, given the kind of security Prime Minister Narendra Modi enjoys, there are additional gates, additional barricades for 18,000 people to be taken in and out of Madison Square Garden and to ensure that security is not compromised. As far as the Indian community is concerned, they get up in large numbers to ensure that this event is a super hit. It will be broadcast live, not just here in New York, not just on the giant screens in Times Square, but across several universities in United States of America, Sana.
That's going to be great, Gaurav, and many people would really envy you because you're right there. So how many hours to go?
Well, as far as the time here is concerned, it will be 11 o'clock in the morning. It's about 9:30 at night, the previous night, so you still have about 12 hours to go. But the excitement is building up. In fact, at the Times Square, there are people who are already marking their place that this is where they'd sit. Of course, that is not allowed at the Madison Square Garden because there anyway people have their tickets with their seat numbers and entry gates marked already. But those who will not get access to the Madison Square Garden are being told not to be disappointed. They can watch it on giant screens outside. And like I said, there are efforts being made to beam this to universities across the United States of America. Now, even today when the Prime Minister spoke at the Central Park, his outreach, his connecting with the youth here in the United States of America and across the world, there was something very significant in what the Prime Minister said. He said not just people who are seeing this event here, but those who are watching it on their laptops, tablets and phones. This is the Prime Minister connecting with them all over. When the governor of New Jersey went and met him, he too spoke of the Prime Minister's outreach on social media, and that is something that many politicians here say they are trying to emulate.
Absolutely. Narendra Modi is known to be all for technology. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for joining us and have a good